Hi, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful stretchy bracelet. I'm going to make it with the beads that I have from Beebeecraft, and I love the volcano beads. I just wanted some so long ago, so I finally got to make me a bracelet with volcano beads. This can be a really easy and fun gift for anybody. I really like this bracelet. It's really pretty and the charm is beautiful. So the first thing we're gonna make to add another loop, because I like the charms. I think the charms need to be hanging. I add that a little extra loop. So we are going to be making that, and then we're gonna go ahead and make the bracelet. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Let's get started. The list of materials is going to be in the description box. The glue, you can find it at MarielBeadsandBeyond.com, as well as these eggplant beads and the elastic. The other beads that are from the Beebeecraft, and the links are gonna be in the description down below. The list of materials we're gonna need the volcano beads that I have from the Beebeecraft, and we are going to need these other beads, and both of the links are gonna be in the description box. We're gonna need charm that we previously made. We're gonna need glue at the end, and we are going to need a stretch magic or any type of elastic you have. We are going to pick up one seed bead, pick up one more. The tail of our thread is here. We are going to sew up through the bead one more time. Our thread is exiting from this bead. We are going to sew down through the bead that we just add. We are going to pick up one bead. Our thread is exiting from the bead that we just add. We are going to sew through the same bead. Our thread is exiting from this bead. We are going to sew through the bead that we just add. Reinforce. Pick up a bead, sew through the previous bead, sew back through the bead that we just add, reinforce, and continue. I have my 9 beads. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pick up my heart. At this point, you want to check if that's the length you want. Otherwise, you can add more beads. My thread is exiting from the top part of the last bead. I'm going to sew down through this bead on the opposite side, and I'm going to reinforce. At this point, you can reinforce the whole thing just to make it more stiff. If you like to, you don't have to. So we can just make a knot right here and cut our threads. And I'll be right back to show you the next step. First, we're gonna stretch our elastic. And the design you can make whatever you like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a volcano bead and one of these other beads. You can do 2 and 2. At any time you can put your charm. So we are going to continue adding the beads. I'm going to put another of these blue ones. And we're going to put a volcano. You know what? I don't like this, so I'm just going to change it. I'm going to put a lava bead and follow the pattern. Okay, so all we had to do now is close it. So put one elastic on top of the other, pass it under, pull, don't pull too tight. Now this one on top, we're gonna put it on top and we are going to pass it under. And be careful right here, you don't wanna do what I just did. So you wanna make sure you don't get any of your beads caught. What I do is I grab both of the sides and I just tie this. And then wait a little bit because you don't want your elastic to be showing. You gotta wait a little bit to make sure that the elastic is gonna shrink. Otherwise, you can just pull it a little bit more. At this time, you can do any adjustments you need. So I think for me, this is good. So we are going to repeat the step. But this time, we are going to pass the elastic twice. Okay. And pull. Same thing, grab both sides. And at this point you're good, but if you want you can make another one just to ensure that you are going to be safe. And then you can pull, 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 pull. At this point we want to use our glue. Okay, so we're gonna put a double glue. we are going to trim the elastic. Be careful so you don't trim the wrong elastic. And then we are going to put our knot inside the bead. So you're really careful, gonna pull. There you go. And then you're gonna leave this alone until tomorrow. And as you can see, it's really easy and I love the end result. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow. If you like my videos, please give me thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me your comments. Till next time, thank you.